Welcome to Tech Champs. Now I will show you how to create a face fusion. The first step is to open the link. I will provide this link in the description. Click on the copy to drive button. After clicking, it will take some time to open. Click open in new tab. Please wait for some time. After opening, click this down arrow. After clicking, change runtime type. Select T4 GPU and Python 3. After selecting, click Save button. Then click Connect. Okay. After connecting, click Runtime and click Run All. To process the Face Fusion GitHub code, it will take more than 10 to 15 minutes. After processing, in the Run section, you will get two links. Open the second link. After loading, the web page will look like this. Upload your source here. I am uploading logo and then upload your target video. After uploading, enable face enhancer and adjust your video quality. After adjusting, click start button. Here you can see the process is being happened.